Um, oh, wait a minute. Come back here. Come back. I really love the bugle. It took me a little by surprise. Come here. Give the Andy Moon a nice kiss. Gently. Gently. Oh, that was lovely. You're going to make some lucky woman very happy someday. Well, I guess you'd like to discuss school. But you met Mr. Devine last night, and he's opening a new school, co-ed, and very ready as carrot. And he's absolutely all on with everything that's going on here. None of that dead, tired Montessori for him. And there'll be lots of non-objective art and rhythmic discussion groups, no books or anything like that. I know you're going to love it. It'll give your libido a good shaking up. What's the deal? Well, you'll find out about that. And I'm sure there'll be a lot of other words you still want to understand. So why don't you just jot them down, and once a week we'll go over them? Huh? Brush your teeth this morning? Good. Did you sleep well?